Hey everyone! Today we are going to be doing a video on how to use the clamp on the Baby Lock 6 needle, same as the Baby Lock 10 needle, and I'm going to show you how we're going to get into this little clutch purse and monogram it using the clamp. So the first thing we're going to do, let me grab my ruler and a pen. First thing you want to do on your item, whatever you're putting on the clamp, is you need to find where your center is. So on my ruler right here, this is 8 inches. So this is a leather-like material, so we got to be careful. So this is 4 inches. Now from top to bottom, it is about 5 inches. So we have a 2.5 inch mark right here. You can see where that pin is. I know there's a glare. So there is 2.5, and then I want to make sure that was 2.5. This is, and then 4. So there is my centers. So you, depending on your item, use a little pin. I'm just putting a little tiny pin right there. You can use a little piece of tape, a chalk, but you need to kind of know where your center is. So when you are using the clamp, there is a little lever on the right side, and let me get over here. This clamp does not raise up very much, just enough to open, to slide your item in. You always want to double check that you've got plenty of bobbin on there, because the worst thing to happen is if you have a item that's really tight on the clamp that you run out of bobbin. So we're going to get inside this clutch bag. This one opens up pretty good. So we want to, I've got it raised up, but just kind of, you have about a finger's width. Okay? Make sure that the opening of the clutch purse does fit over the arm. I'm going to slide this up. Now on the clamp, we have some little markings, that tell us, give us a gauge. Now I'm going to close the clamp, pull that down. So it is locked. This is not going anywhere. I'm going to show you kind of down on here too. There are some little markings on the clamp itself that show you center top to bottom, and then on the sides. I also want you to notice on the screen, there is no hoop size. So when you put the clamps on, it does not know where you have to put the design in the center. If you put any kind of hoop that comes with this machine, 4x4 or 5x7, or the big ones, the sensors on the arms let it know the sewing area that is available, and it won't hit it. When you have these clamps on, it does not know. You need to we're going to arrow over and down and place it in the hoop so that it does not hit this frame and break our needle or mess up our machine. So I'm going to be using the arrows, and my thread that I'm using is on the number 1 needle. So I'm going to arrow over and line up with that center marking on the clamp. And then I'm going to arrow down. And so you can drop your needle, you can push it down, but I'm going to show you a little closer. So it is coming down right over my pin. So I am in a good spot. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to hit the trace out button. And I'm going to watch my needle and just make sure that it is not getting anywhere near the edges of the frame where it could possibly hit it and damage the needle or the machine. So we are good. So you just got to double check those things, and then we can go ahead and start the machine. Make sure it is stitching on the right needle thread color. This is going to be a tone on tone, and go ahead and let it do its thing. Our clutch is done, and we will raise the ladder right here. So again, this does not raise very far, so just enough to slide it off carefully. And there you have it. Our clutch purse is finished. Our little clamp did a great job. And that is how you get into little bags like this that are tight. Use the clamp. And that's how you do it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or leave a question in the comment section. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on social media. We have all our links in the description. And we'll see you in the next video.